Hello, children. So, you all are here waiting for me to get a new story, isn't it? So, today, which story I'm going to tell you and in which subject? Yes, you are very correct. I'm here with a moral education with a new story. So, today I'm going to tell you one story that is faith to God. Whatever is happening is good for everything and for everybody. So you must trust God. You must believe your fate. Understood? So here is the story about how faith you have to keep it in God. Once there was a king. He was a king. And he was having one minister. And he used to tell whatever is happening for good. Everything is for good. जो कुछ होता है सब अच्छे के लिए होते हैं. हमेशा वो मंत्री यही कहता था. कुछ भी हो जाए वो क्या बोलता था, जो कुछ हो गया वो सब अच्छे के लिए होता है. सो दिस वॉज हिज गोल्डन वर्ड्स एंड ही यूज्ड टू रन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद किंग एंड किंग वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. किंग और मिनिस्टर बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे. इसके साथ साथ एक दिन ऐसा हो गया कि एक प्रजा ने एक स्वर्ड लेके आया. स्वर्ड यानी कि क्या, तलवार. तलवार के धार कैसे होते हैं वो चेक करने के लिए राजा ने थंब घुमाया और उसके हाथ कट हो गया. कट होते ही बोला इतना खून बहने लगा. तो मंत्री वो देखते हैं क्या, चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ऑल फॉर गुड. व्हाट हैपेंड, द राजा गॉट हर्ट इन द थंब, इट वाज ब्लीडिंग. At that time, minister told, no problem, whatever is happened for good. After hearing this, the king got wild. He got very angry. He said, what is this? Why you are telling like this? I got hurt. It's paining and you are telling it's for good. He called the guard and he told that, चलो इस मंत्री को कारागार में डाल दो, जेल में डाल दो, बोल दिया. तभी भी मंत्री ने क्या बोला, कोई बात नहीं, दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर मी. एंड ही स्माइल्ड एंड ही वेंट इनसाइड द जेल. आफ्टर द फ्यू डेज राजा किंग वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट फॉर हंटिंग. ही वेंट फॉर हंटिंग. राजा ने अपने घोड़े की पेड़ करते राजा ने अपने शिकार के लिए चला गया. जैसे वो अंदर चला गया उधर आदिवासी के ग्रुप थे. दैट मीन्स द पीपल हु लिव्स इन द फॉरेस्ट, दे आर सेड टू बी एज आदिवासी. आदिवासी के ग्रुप में फंस गया. तो आदिवासी लोगों ने राजा को पकड़ लिया. उनको पता नहीं था, दे वर नॉट नोइंग दैट दिस इज द किंग ऑफ अवर किंगडम. दे वर नॉट नोइंग. सो व्हाट दे डिड, दे कॉट होल्ड ऑफ द किंग and they gave the good bath, good food, and actually the king was to sacrifice for the god. There was a big statue, that is Adivasi statue. They want to give bali of this raja. बोला इनको सबको नलाया, खिलाया, पिलाया. बोला राजा को लेके आ जाओ, हमारे भगवान के सामने लेके आ जाओ. जैसे वो लेके आया, राजा तो बहुत डर गया. राजा वॉज अनेबल टू टेल एनीथिंग. ही टोल्ड योर हेड इज गोइंग टू बी कट, आपको हम बलि चलाने वाले हैं. तो ये सुनते एक आदिवासी दौड़ के आया, बोला रुक जाओ, मत काटो. तो उन्होंने बोला कि क्या हुआ. अरे इस आदमी के हाथ में एक अंगूठा नहीं है और हम इस अंगूठे के बिना हम भगवान को बलि नहीं चढ़ाते. व्हाट दैट पर्सन टोल्ड, डोंट गिव सैक्रिफाइस टू द मैन बिकॉज ही डोंट हैव थंब. आवर कस्टम इज टू सैक्रिफाइस द फुल बॉडी. इफ वन पार्ट इज ऑल्सो मिसिंग, इट इज नॉट एलिजिबल टू गिव द सैक्रिफाइस और बलि. हियरिंग दिस दैट टोल्ड, छोड़ दो इस मनुष्य को, They left the king, and the king came running back to the palace and said, "Oh God, I am saved. Today, because of my thumb, I saved my life." He went directly to the minister. He told, "Thank you very much. Because of you, I saved my life. Because of you told that whatever is happened is for good. And because of that, today I saved my life," he told. And the king was happy. And at the same time, he asked Mantri, "Why you tell you are very lucky? Whatever is happened is good for me also. How is it possible?" What the minister said, "It is because if everything was well, if you would have kept me with you, I would have joined you for the hunting. And instead of you, they would have given me this for the sacrifice. So I also saved my life because you have put me into the jail." In this way, both were saved, and it is very sure that whatever is happening is for good. That is a faith in God. We cannot do anything against anything. Everything will be accordingly as per the God's will and wish. So we must have faith in God. Did you understood this story? So from next time onwards, whatever is happened, that is for good. Believe in that, and you go ahead with your studies. And children, today what is the lesson? The name of the lesson is Faith in God. You have to read the lesson thoroughly, and then the notes are given in the back. You can see the notes here. All the notes are given. You have to write all the notes, and whenever I ask for correction, you have to submit for the corrections. So are you ready to read the lesson? Okay. Now what is the heading of the lesson? Faith in God. Now come on, keep your finger and read along with me. Once there was a king. He had a minister in his court. He used to say, "Whatever happens is good. God has done this for good." One day, a new sword was presented to the king. The king brought out the sword from its case. He was moving his thumb on its edge to test its sharpness. Suddenly, his attention was diverted, and his thumb got cut off and fell down. Blood began to flow. The minister said, "This had happened for good. God has done this for good." The king became mad with anger. He shouted at the chief minister, "Throw this ungrateful fellow into jail." On hearing the king's order, he said, "The king's order is for good." The poor minister was thrown into the jail. After a week, the king went to the jungle for hunting. He was on his horse chasing a deer. The deer ran fast, and so did the king's horse. Soon his soldiers were left behind, and he reached the kingdom of tribals. The tribal men were singing and dancing. When they saw the king, they caught him. They needed one man for sacrifice. As was their custom, they washed the king, dressed him in a new clothes, and abode him with flowers. He was taken to the temple. A man bent on the king's head before the statue of God. He raised his sword and beheaded the king. Suddenly, the chief of the tribals saw that the king's thumb was missing. The tribals did not sacrifice a man whose any part of the body was cut. So the king was set free. The king returned to his palace. He went to the prison and saw his minister. He said, Please forgive me. You had already said that whatever happens is good. If my thumb was not cut, they would have killed me. Now tell me, how by putting you into the jail was good? The minister smiled and said, if you have not thrown me into the jail, I would have accompanied you to hunt, and they would have beheaded me in your place. The king embraced his wise and fearless minister, who had firm faith in God. He also gave him a lot of good as reward. So, whatever you do good, the rewards are sure. You'll be getting good rewards from the God also. So, have faith and do your work properly and sincerely. And bye, children, for today's video, and see you tomorrow with the next story. Thank you.